Hello, Moya Sugi, Corino de Wale, Ode, Petit, Bode Buco. Lo sorale, tu gay lui, ye waglu, Watuli Pule, Kitty LME, KNLME, Dogwood Dogwelle, ye or do all. Do Musatini ne, Canyopole, Posue, Canyopole, Talawe, Tea, Talawe Co. Talawe Tatabli, Talawe Codule, Codule Dumudo, Talawe Tatabli, Tati the Pani, Lobudo Welle, to Gateway, number 4 per great. Paidware, Proban, Paidware, District, Kitty, LMA, Kitty, Ken LMA, Nobu Dowele, Canyopo, Posue did pa, the bar, Matilo Dava, the Bacalo Dava, Coco Soba Uji. Coco Mamaza, Coco Bumia, Malotti way, Canyopo Sue, about a Canyopo Su law. Canyopo Gade, the Bamati Lodava, Pio Takudo Malo, Pio Pumosoro, Takudo Malo, Kunale, NCA de Pane, Mahago, where KNU, the Gregor law. Kunale NCA did Pani at the thing Yawe, a Tiru Godeva, at the thing Yawele, political scammer. Takone Apola to Mudubu did pa. Get away, that shoot them way, get away, that Edabo, get away, that Tuto, Tago. That did Pani to Mudubole. To get lui. KTLMA, KNLMA, to Somora Petty, no pani law. Do Musatini ne, but your two well intelligent strategy, political strategy, lawfully do my law. Wasn't it head to well at Dasueva, what to well Konu Dadu law? That did money. Took about in Yahweh. That law sort let. Paidware Gory, to Gay Louis, to Mudubo, Thibaut Corpo, Padoba, intelligent, Jadu Malo. The thing Yawele, political stammer, the thing Yale, military stammer, the thing Yale, intelligent strategy, intelligent side war. Tati the Pani, two petty sumu Gioni, no. Yes, I would do my law. When you work there, give Mati Loda, come your door. Without the law, the bar color that is. When you poo, Ode, Diadawi, when you poo, Ode Dahudabu, when you poo, Ode, Datugunyo Daganyo, Pacasolo, Pacotuli. Pati Bago Korean motherland Crash Day might be complete Kogo Soba Uji Paloti Welle the 4 point of Soba Uji Kogo Soba Uji Maloti Welle Kanyoko Kabani Wello Kanyoko ni Mule Codule Hogo, Codule Hogo area to the Nadia, Codule Hogo, Sarole, Pimena, Dule Hanji John. Piju Division, Rangu Division, Aori Division, the Nilai Division, the 4th Division. We are current area, Godule area, Everybody know. Clan people. Flow Burma in Kodule area. Everybody. Clan people in the wall. In the know. My country. Kodule area. That's right. Everybody, Clan people, you want to know Clan history. The Flow Burma in Kodule area started to Nebido to Hanji Jong, Koko Jong. The 4 districts, Rangoon district, Piju district, Ayawari district, Teninai district. All of people, Karen people, we went no to Karen area, the Flow Burma in Karen Kodule area. All of Karen people in foreign country. International Karen people in Europe, Pia area, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Holland, Netherlands, England, Sweden, Denmark, Netherlands, American, Australia, Canada, in Asia, all of Korean people, we want to know my country area, Kodule area. That's right. Everybody understand, everybody know. We went to Korean country, we went to Kodule country. Everybody understand? Everybody support in Kodule army. That's right. I am Korean. I love my country. I will to my army, Kodule. Long time years ago, the Burma military, the leadership in Korean people, they know that giving Korean state, they don't like Korean people. This time, Korean people, all of Korean people in international country, everybody general knowledge, everybody know that the situation of political this time is political is military, the leadership, no good, not bad. That's right. Everybody know, everybody understand. The Burmese political is low. We Korean people in the war. We are organized. We are support to the Kodule army, to the KLNA army. Everybody know that Korean people, we like to Kodule country, Kodule army. I will let you say to Korean people, we have culturally, we have Korean motherland, we have Korean flag. Right now, we need to Korean government, Kodule government, different kind of Burmese. I don't want to Burmese control of KNU. I don't want to Burmese give in to all of authority. I don't like. The Burmese and current different kind of the Burmese military power, the Burmese soldier. I don't believe. I don't want to lie. Everybody can be back in the war. Everybody know. Long time years ago, the president of Soba Uji, he is like to go to the country. He likes to go to the army. We are freedom. Freedom or freedom. The Burmese government don't control crime people, don't control crime army, don't control crime departments. I don't like. Crazy Burmese, stupid Burmese. Burmese military is crazy. I went to say to the Aung San. The Japanese say, come in, Aung San, return, Aung San. Everybody can be back. Know the history. Long time years ago, 1994, the 7th government UNU, Prime Minister UNU, he said that, Bauji, you would like to go to the country, you can better. Okay, Bauji said that, no problem, I will let you better. Long time years ago, everybody can be know. Don't remember. Kogo, Soba Uji Tewele, Tumitalo Tigoni, Kabadu Lord. And Unu Dewano, Unu, Palima Soya, Bauji, me, Yembi Loje, Tayubo, Yade, okay, Yadam Shibu, Tayusung, I don't tell you, man. Kogo Bauji. တာလောဝဲလဲတဲတော့တွေ့လောကြပါအဲ့တော့တမှုတခုအခုနေစတော့ဖက်နေပြီတပစဲကဲတော်ကြီးလောတော့ဘူးတော့ဝဲလဲရဲဟောတူတူဟောတော့ဘူးတော့ဝဲလဲဟောကိုတော့ပလေဝကညောဖို့ပမလူကိုတပစဲကဲတော်လဲလေစတော့လဲအခေါ်ထိဘယောလဲတကေပါခုနေPapa do Papa Hill that he got a bagaloo. Tale, the blue plania. By Hill that. And in we see a double law. Do Musatini, Paganopole, have the children the Joe. At the thing, Yava.
Đi bà lại đi bà đó rồi cái rồi nó cái bà đó hay kia hả là bà đó rồi chứ là không là gì nữa
Còn nhau phụ lên next generation thì phải ở đây thì nhau về cry history bà ở khu này bé ule là America bé về tin nói gì đó bà bác lưu đã chụp lên ngon Papa hilo dale, tu re tu ke, khó bị đệ, thì mắt thì vậy lẽ, khi anh ăn lịch la, cái gì vậy nhỉ, tôi có phụ lẽ, suy tu khó cả mệt lo, đó đủ đó thế, bắt ta lo lẽ có tu lệ thi cò, bắt ta lo lẽ trả tập lệ, à khu này, đó đủ đó vậy lẽ, heo và vậy có khle, tê đi phà. Cái tên nó gì, cái tép giàu vậy, cái nhỏ ta sử dụng đế rồi, cái nhỏ ta bẻ xe ta sử dụng đế rồi. Mỗi giờ suy nghĩ vào tu, có đi nào lại cái, bye bye.